this video, we will show you how to setting proxy on WhatsApp. If WhatsApp application in your country has been blocked, you can using proxy as alternative to make your WhatsApp works again. And make sure this is the only case if the WhatsApp is blocked on your connection or on your country. And it will not help if your connection is not blocked the WhatsApp application in common. So in here, to setting up the proxy, you need to open WhatsApp application. In here, you need to select three dot buttons here and select settings. Just scroll down and select storage and data. Now you can see there is proxy menu in here. Just click and you can use the sliding button. In here, this is the proxy I already have, but we can setting up the new proxy again. Okay, we can just back and you can hold to delete the old proxy like this. Just click and hold if you previously have the proxy. You can setting up the proxy and you need to input the proxy host. It can be domain name or usually it can be IP address, and I will show you. In the WhatsApp, usually the ports it can be used is with 18443 or 5222 available. You can see there, this is by WhatsApp documentation. Now in here, let's see or let's find the proxy with 18 or 80 port in here. This is just for example. I will choose this IP address as proxy, so we can type a proxy here. Let's input this IP address. Make sure the IP address or proxy address is correct and the port is using 80. Okay, I will untick this and click save. And for media port, I choose also 80 in here and click save. And like I say before, if your connection is not blocking the WhatsApp, usually the WhatsApp is prefer using your original connection rather than using a proxy like me, because in this video we just show a tutorial how to setting up the proxy without the proxy must work. Okay, after you done setting like this, and this is the port like in here. Okay, and this is the proxy address. You can click this or just click this to back. Okay, you can see there, because my WhatsApp is not blocked on our connection. Usually WhatsApp regularly check and prefer to using the original connection rather than using proxy. Okay, you can see the describe in here. Only use a proxy if you are unable to connect to WhatsApp. In my case, my connection is not blocking the WhatsApp application. So this is just tutorial how to setting up the proxy on the WhatsApp application. Hope this video helpful for you.